Hello everyone, we got this unit here in Addison, Texas. This one cost us a whopping $1,700? $1,800?
Something like that.
1,800. Let's go in and see what we have here. Alright, you can see tons of antiques. Biggest reason we purchased it was seeing some of these unique items, like the Dragon Kind. This Mushu goes for how much?
$400.
$400. And this Kong, this figurine, another $500. So that in itself paid for a large portion of the unit. We did see, a hint of what we thought would be trains. So let's see. That's empty. We do have tangent trains.
Little low end.
We've got Centralia car shops. I'm not sure what this locomotive is.
That's St. Louis.
St. Louis Southwestern. All right, we also have Premium HO Skill. Very cool, America's passenger train. This one's heavy, guys. Roundhouse Products. Okay, these are good. Big old heavy metal train. This thing's amazing.
What do you think? Even $20 a piece on this.
Yeah. But we have a feeling.
It's a little bit more.
A bit more. Okay, we've got Walthers.
Let's check that one. Let's check the Walthers.
Okay.
This is brand new, $80.
Nice. And we've got a bunch of Walthers.
Yeah.
Wow. We will check through this whole box later, but it's looking like a whole bunch of brand new, even at $80 a piece. This is an amazing box. Next up, let's see what this box holds for us. All right, we've got pictures, glasses, nothing too exciting.
What's under there? Put this here if you want.
Yeah, let's see. Weird voodoo potion. Drink at your peril. What in the world?
Oh no.
Very odd little concoctions.
I wonder what that's for.
Alright, paintbrushes, CDs, picture frames.
Let's see what that box. Oh, wow.
Wow. I wonder if these are copper. They're from Moscow Mules.
I don't know.
Is there $9 a mug? Yeah. This beautiful ornate antique chair was one of the things we looked up. A lot of them are hundreds of dollars. We're not sure on the brand just yet, but we'll have it appraised, see what it's worth. Supposedly, the person that had this unit used to restore antiques. So we love hearing that. We love coming up on unique items to show you all. Right. Wow. Oh my goodness.
Let's see these. What are these? Plastic.
Phoenix. Okay. We've got the Hallmark Models Inc.
Ooh.
Wow. This is a brass train. Very cool.
Nice.
Yeah.
A lot more here.
No.
Yeah, we'll just leave the whole set, the Phoenix ones, the box there.
The boxes. What's in there?
Oh.
Let's see what we've got, you guys. Oh my goodness. New in package. Looks like some more brass trains. Very heavy, and it looks like it's by NJ International Inc. This is exactly what we were hoping for, you guys.
Come on.
Up next. Wow. Oh my gosh. How cool. Hornby.
I think
Super
Hornby
detail.
is not
Not a good brand?
not a great. Let's see. Let's look at that one. Hornby.
Hornby Princess Coronation Class.
Let me see if I can just.
Duchess of Sutherland. All of these look to be, yeah, Hornby.
Wow. Oh, sorry, my bad.
How much?
$150.
150? Wow.
Isn't this it?
It sure is.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. And
Yeah, I
not
was
one,
terribly wrong.
but a huge box. And
And more.
mind you, these are all very heavy, you guys. They're likely
Oh my
metal.
Alright, that's that.
Just incredible. This here definitely paid for the unit.
So, just a little disclaimer. I wasn't gonna bid on this one.
Yeah.
But Heidi, my beautiful wife, she's the one who insisted there's something good here. And here we are. Do not enter. Anyway.
We have a bunch of these leather chairs. We've got antique tables, stuff that'll need appraising because it's just, you know, something we're not too knowledgeable on. But let's take a look at this. We've got Dracula.
Line sheet style E.
Let me see.
I think they're all brand new. It's definitely brand new. Yep.
Okay, yep.
They-
Brand new. But, let's
There's
see.
3 of them.
3 of them.
Oh, this is style A. Okay. This is the
Okay.
mummy. Style A.
Very cool.
This is
Frankenstein.
Frankenstein. Style A.
Wow. Next one. Hoping for more trains. And not disappointed. What is this? We've got Railway Classics. Burlington. New. Let's see. Beautiful. And metal?
No, I don't think so.
No?
No.
Very cool. Got some America Limited. This one definitely looks vintage.
Athern is not the best.
Athern? Roundhouse
This one.
Products?
Yeah, this
Yeah.
one's the best.
Let's see. Got Premier HO. Nice, nice, nice.
Okay, not the highest end box, but
Still
still
good.
good. It's the best one for the
Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh my goodness. I think we have a set of 4 chairs.
You do?
Wow. These are incredible. Springs are shot, needs repair, but that's what this guy did. The ornate woodwork is just phenomenal. I mean, look at this table. Let me see if we've got a brand in here. No brand. Incredible
Look at
craftsmanship.
this one. Look at this.
Let's see.
It's
Oh.
definitely, yeah.
Old magazines.
Yeah.
Wow. Another box.
We'll just not
of
bother
trains.
what's down there. So, yeah, a lot, everything is stacked. We
Ah,
have to check them out one by one.
Okay, let's see. Is there a brand?
Let's see. There is. Is it Louis? I can't tell. What do you think, guys? What's this?
I don't know. It's a Phoenix?
Let me take a picture of it. Maybe it will pop up. Jesus. Oh my god, what's that?
It looks like an umbrella holder. Solid metal. What are these? Some type of bird?
Let's see. This is a ceramic table lamp. Apparently.
The base of a lamp?
I'm not sure. No, I think they have it wrong.
That would be a very big lamp.
No, it is. You can attach the lamp on the bottom. Or is it? This is it. Okay. Okay, I found. So this is very similar to it.
Wow.
And it's in incredible, like, amazing condition.
We might be able to find the other one in here, you guys. So we are nearing the end of our video. As you can see, we moved out all the boxes. A decent amount of them were trash, but we got 9 boxes of trains. Just amazing. This has just been a phenomenal unit. You know, you put in some money, but you reap what you sow, and it's been a lot of hard work. You can see we've got amazing furniture here, these large pieces. We'll be moving those out. Please like and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching. We are excited for many more treasures to be found.